sun breaks free of the sea, and dawn comes again. My alma mater fends me, beloved Benjamin, like a ray of shining light, welcomes me back home. Keep us in sight throughout the night, sweet Benjamin, her own. Nestled 'neath the palms, glorious and green, ever she's victorious, our alma mater queen. Through laughter and tears, we'll stay ever true. We're buccaneers through all the years. We love you, orange and blue. We love you, orange and blue. When the sun breaks free of the sea, and dawn comes again, my alma mater fends me, beloved Benjamin, like a ray of shining light, welcomes me back home. Keep us in sight throughout the night, sweet Benjamin, her own. Nestled 'neath the palms, glorious and green, ever she's victorious, our alma mater queen. Through laughter and tears, we'll stay ever true. We're buccaneers through all the years. We love you, orange and blue. We love you, orange and blue.
Parents, welcome to our admission open house. This is a special edition of BTV News. I'm Cole Jernstedt.
And I'm Catherine Civitella. We will be co-anchoring our first virtual open house. We hope you enjoyed our opening slideshow celebrating 60 years of successful alumni and their accomplishments in today's world.
While COVID has given us some new challenges, the Benjamin School has been able to maintain its level of academics and overall program, as well as our sense of community, which we hope to be able to share with you today.
To begin with, we would like to take you on a virtual tour of the campus, led by seniors Aiden Nightoff and Molly Eversmith.
Hi, I'm Molly and I'm the president of Buck Ambassadors.
And I'm Aiden, I'm the community service coordinator.
We're here to give you your virtual tour of the Benjamin Upper School campus. We're really sorry that you can't be here with us, but we hope that you can come and join us soon in person. We cannot wait to have you.
Here's our first stop.
This is the ground floor of Building 5, where you will find English classrooms as soon as you enter from the courtyard, and math classrooms further back. Here are the teachers of those departments.
This is an example of one of our English classes. So come on in. Freshman year, you can decide to take Intro to World Literature. Everyone takes it. Then sophomore year is when you have your deciding honors class or regular class. And then from there on, junior year, senior year, you can go AP, you can do senior selectives, you can do regular courses. That's really when there's variation. This is one of our math classrooms. So Benjamin Math allows you to progress the way that you were going from middle school. So in 8th grade, whatever you took, you can continue taking that. The classes that we have, you can go as high as AP Calc BC, which is a pretty high level math, or you can, you can take your time and you can work with what you have and develop your skills as they come to you. So this is going to be what a typical Spanish classroom looks like. We offer Spanish, French, and Mandarin. So you have all those options to take. And you can take 2 languages if you really want to. Here in the back we have our history classroom, so come with me. So at Benjamin, your requirements are world history, US history, government, and econ.
At the top of Building 4, we have our 3 main sciences, which is chemistry, physics, and biology.
We'll use a classroom in this building as an example of our current classroom layout to abide with health measures, including a new TV system inside the classroom, allowing for students that opt to stay at home this year to study at the same pace and engagement.
As a freshman, most people take biology or honors biology, and so this is a typical science classroom. After biology, most people take chemistry or physics, and then their senior year, we have other electives such as AP Environmental Science or AP Physics 2, and then kids can just choose their track and which sciences they want as they progress through freshman year. Bottom of Building 4, we have our engineering and then visual arts. Here's an example of one of our engineering groups. This is where the Bengineers, a nationally ranked engineering team at the school, compete and develop products every year to compete against other schools in the district, in the state, and nationally. They make robots, they make drones, they make anything really that has to do with engineering is what the Bengineers do. And you can see some of the trophies they have won in the past. This is our main art room. Here we have ceramics as well as visual arts such as painting and drawing and all the typical arts that you do. And then we also have a computer lab specifically for photography. And then photography goes up to intro all the way to AP, just showing the wide variety of art classes we have.
This is the concession stand outside of the art hallway. The stand is open at lunch and other breaks and is run by the student council. It includes a variety of light snacks and drinks. On the topic of lunch, here is one freshman eating area, the picnic tables. Many teachers also let you eat in their classroom.
This is our Healy Athletic Center. Inside this large building, we have our main gym, where students complete their PE credits as well as attend basketball and volleyball home games. We also conduct many full school events in the gym, including assemblies and pep rallies. The center also includes a full indoor training room, and usually students would line up in front of the building to purchase their lunch.
These are our outdoor athletic facilities. Many of our varsity sports practice here before or after classes.
Here are our tennis courts.
Our facilities include a football field, which also doubles as a soccer and lacrosse field, a quarter-mile track, as well as baseball and softball field. Our art hallway includes our facilities for music, drama, and dance. The dance room is home to our award-winning Dazzlers dance team, who spend many hours practicing before their performances.
This is Benjamin Hall, our own massive and modern performance hall. When we have whole school events, such as watching our home-produced BTV News or other special performances, students sit in rows with their advisories in different sections that are sorted by grade.
We also have a large band room for our band classes. Seasonal performances include the Variety Show, Winter Arts Festival, the Backdoor Cafe, and the Senior Showcase.
I hope you enjoyed your tour of the Benjamin Upper School.
We really hope that you choose Benjamin for your high school experience. We both love it and we can't wait to see you. Thank you.
Thank you, Aiden and Molly, for that awesome tour of campus. We hope you enjoyed the campus tour and were able to learn a bit more about our school programs and campus features.
Now, we would like you to spend a few minutes with our head of school, Mr. David Faust, Director of Admission, Mrs. Mary Lou Prim, and the head of our upper school, Mr. Fletcher Carr.
Welcome to the Benjamin School. I'm Dave Faust, and I'm the head of the school. And I'm thrilled that you're taking some time out to learn a little bit more about Benjamin. And I would just share on a personal note, I joined the school as the head on July 1 of this past year and have felt so warmly welcomed here at Benjamin School. I too took a close look, listened, learned, asked questions, and the school has far exceeded my expectations. And I think you will find that the school is warm and welcoming, that your sons and daughters will be challenged in the classroom and outside of the classroom, that they will discover new passions, they'll be introduced to opportunities that they haven't had before, and that they will grow here in a safe and supporting environment. And so I really encourage you as you begin this journey of finding your next school, that you indeed keep your eyes wide open and you're listening carefully and you continue to ask questions so you have all the information that you need to make the best choice. I think you will find, as I have, that it's a pretty remarkable school. And I want to extend an open door to you all. If you have questions or comments or just want to say hello, I have offices on both the upper school campus and on the lower school campus and would love to have you drop by and say hello. So once again, thanks for joining us today. And I'd like to pass the program on now to our Director of Admissions, Mary Lou Prim.
Hello and welcome to our open house. Thank you for joining us. I'm Mary Lou Prim and I'm the Director of Admission for the Benjamin School. Today you will hear from faculty, administrators, and most importantly students who will help you understand what makes our upper school such a dynamic place. Benjamin is proud to celebrate our 60th year of excellence in Palm Beach County this year. What began as a one-room kindergarten class has grown into a two-campus school community for more than 1,075 students in grades pre-K 3 through 12. Our upper school is in Palm Beach Gardens and home to 416 students. Our 9th grade has 118 students, 48 of whom are brand new to Benjamin this year. Typically, 1/3 or more of our freshman class come from local private and public middle schools, plus schools outside of Palm Beach County and outside of Florida. Students come to Benjamin for the academic challenge and rigor. We offer 24 AP classes and 15 honors classes in addition to traditional college preparatory classes. We believe in offering the right amount of rigor by subject. Students have options for elective classes ranging from biotechnology to TV broadcasting and engineering to photography, and the list goes on. Our students are leaders, musicians, athletes, and artists who carry themselves with the highest of character. Every student has the opportunity to play on a Benjamin athletic team. We are finishing up cross-country, football, golf, swimming, and volleyball. Basketball, bowling, and soccer are underway, and wrestling will begin soon. In addition to competitive sports, we offer extracurricular activities such as dance, drama club, the Bengineers, something to meet every student's interests and involve them in the school community. Our admission process is online and begins with an admission application. We offer admission testing and in-person campus tours, and those applicants who meet our December 1st early deadline will receive notification by mid-December. Again, thank you for joining us, and know that our admission team looks forward to assisting you with the admission process.
Good morning and welcome. I'm Fletcher Carr, head of the upper school. I'm in my 5th year here at Benjamin and have had 2 children graduate from here, so I speak as both a parent and faculty member. Thank you first and foremost for your time today. It is a real gift under our current challenging circumstances. Please know how honored and humbled we are that you have chosen to join us for today's program as you consider your child's future. All of us at Benjamin know that there is not a greater responsibility than the best care and development of the young people entrusted to our guidance. And to our current 8th grade students, the great class of 2025 watching today from the North Palm Beach campus, I extend a special welcome to you. I'm sorry that we cannot be meeting in person today. I always love seeing our 8th graders visit the upper school campus as a group while considering what the next school year will bring. And please know that if you have any questions about any part of the process, don't hesitate to send your questions to me or ask Mr. Hagee, and I know that he will be glad to forward them my way. In terms of the upper school program, we're certainly known around the area for our strong traditions of academic excellence, character development, and dedication to the development of the whole person. In short, we are a proud reflection of exactly the traits that our founders Marshall and Nancy Benjamin envisioned in founding the school 60 years ago. The Benjamin Upper School provides a safe, challenging environment in which students can continue to learn and mature as scholars, athletes, artists, performers, and most importantly, as responsible, informed, and empathetic emerging adults. The scale of the school is such that every student is known and cared for, and as much as the adolescent years are about truly beginning to experience personal independence, there exists within the upper school program not only the means to establish that independence, but also a subtle but extremely strong web of support that includes advisors, school counselors, teachers, coaches, college counselors, and academic advisors. In other words, students are free to follow their own paths, secure in the knowledge that there will be always somebody close at hand to offer help and support when an inevitable stumble occurs in the learning process. Mrs. Prim did a wonderful job of covering the specifics of the academic, extracurricular, and athletic programs. And I know that in the breakout groups to follow, our students and faculty members will be able to give you an even better perspective on all that we offer here. And finally, as you continue with this morning's program, please know that you will find a warm, forward-thinking community that is secure in its identity and working tirelessly every day to shape young men and women who will positively impact the world that they are inheriting. Enjoy the morning, and I can't wait to meet you all in person when the opportunity arises. And now, it's back to the anchor desk with Catherine and Cole.
Thank you all. We hope you enjoyed the remarks from our members of our leadership team. And now we look forward to moving to our different breakout rooms to learn in greater detail about our specific programs, athletics, arts, and overall school community from our students. Following the breakout sessions, there will be a general session for some closing remarks.
Before you go, we want to thank you for taking the time out of your day to spend with us, and we are thrilled that you are thinking of the Benjamin School as an option for 2021. We look forward to seeing you here in the fall.